Imagine showing a smartphone to someone from the year 1900. To then, you're a wizard. To you, you're just checking your email. We are currently living through the fastest technological shift in human history. Faster than the internet, faster than electricity. And if you think you know what AI is because you've used ChatGPT, you are looking at the match and missing the rocket ship. Because in late 2024 and 2025, everything changed. We stopped building chatbots that talk and started building agents that do. Here is the difference. Generative AI, the stuff we got used to, is like a really smart parrot. It predicts the next word, it writes a poem, it draws a picture, but it's stuck in the chat box. If you tell a chatbot, plan a trip to Tokyo, it gives you a list. If you tell an AI agent, plan a trip to Tokyo, it checks your calendar, finds the cheapest flights, books the hotel, and emails you the itinerary. It doesn't just think, it acts. And this brings us to the scary part. The part nobody wants to talk about at dinner parties. For the last 2 years, we asked, will AI take my job? The answer in 2025 is becoming clear. It won't take your job. It will take your task. If your job is 90% repetitive tasks, copying data, scheduling meetings, writing basic code, AI agents are coming for that 90%. But here is the plot twist. This isn't the end of work. It's the end of drudgery. Think about the calculator. When it was invented, mathematicians didn't stop doing math. They just stopped doing long division by hand and started solving harder problems. You are no longer the worker. You are the director. Your value isn't how fast you type. It's how good your taste is, how good your questions are. And if you're still worried, let me show you the silver lining. Actually, it's not silver, it's biological. While we argue about chatbots, AI is quietly solving the hardest puzzles in the universe. Biology. For 50 years, scientists struggled to figure out protein shapes. AI did it in a weekend. We are entering the era of digital biology. AI is currently designing drugs for cancer that humans never would have thought of. It's running millions of virtual experiments per second. We aren't just getting better Siri, we are getting a cure for Alzheimer's. So, where does that leave you? The gap between godlike technology and useless toy is getting smaller every day. The people who win in this new world won't be the computer geniuses. The winners will be the adaptable. The ones who look at this rocket ship and say, okay, how do I learn to fly this thing? The revolution isn't coming, it's here. And the best way to predict your future is to build it. If you want to stay the pilot and not the passenger, hit that subscribe button. We've got a lot to cover.